Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and this is my pregnancy update for week 17.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
Baby is the size of a pomegranate. I love pomegranates, and I'm gonna buy one this week. I think they're in season, kind of. I was showing James pictures of my app, and I'm pretty sure he's never had a pomegranate, and they're like nature's gummy bears. So I'm gonna go get myself a pomegranate in celebration of week 17. Still out of breath. I don't know. I'm still obsessed with the fact that the baby can hear now, so let's just keep it at that. It was a pretty good week. I'm still sick. I don't want to be negative, but I've kind of just come to Jesus. I just think I'm going to be sick the rest of the time here and there. Again, I don't want to have it be a self-fulfilling prophecy, but this pregnancy is identical to my first pregnancy, and I was, mildly sick the whole time with James. It's okay. I'm doing good. I'm getting through. I throw up maybe 3 or 4 times a week, and I'm okay with that. So I just kind of have come to terms with it, I guess is what I was trying to say. Hopefully it gets better, but if not, I've done it once and I can do it again. My energy level has still been so much better than a few weeks ago, and I'm so appreciative of that because it's hard to feel tired all the time. A couple things, I guess, this week is my uncle had his 70th birthday party this weekend. It was so fun. It was all catered. They had a bartender. He made me really fun mocktails, and I had a great time. Oh, the food was so good. I'm catching myself saying all the time in this pregnancy, this is the best thing I ever ate. And there was this carrot cake there at the party. It was in a little shot glass, so fancy. Just a little portion. I had 5. And I was like, this is the best carrot cake I've ever had. And even dumb things like water sometimes just taste so good. I'll say to Philip, isn't water so good? I'm very in love with food at certain times. So anyways, I don't know why I told that story. The food was good. I had mocktails. Oh, I was wearing not heels, but wedges, and we didn't really sit a lot. We kind of mingled, and I was just super tired at the end, not necessarily fatigued, but my legs and feet were just I cannot stand another second. And I definitely think that was from the pregnancy, because I usually can rock a heel for 8 hours without complaining, but so that was kind of weird. The other big thing is, I guess I think it's round ligament pain. I always thought round ligament pain was a lightning rod of pain, super intense, quick, zoop, and then it went away. And I guess maybe I was wrong about that, because what I have is not that. It's kind of there all the time. And mine is kind of, I guess, around my pelvis bone. And it feels just really sore down there. And it's not intense, a lightning shot of pain. It's just kind of a dull, constant pain. It hurts a lot more when I'm rolling over in bed to get up, or even getting up from a chair. That's kind of when it zings, but it's not intense. And it's fine. It doesn't worry me, but it does, because I'm only 17 weeks, and I'm is my pelvis bone just gonna snap in half in a month? Is this normal for this to be happening this early? So I don't know. Weirdly enough, my sister-in-law, who's 8 weeks ahead of me, is also experiencing it this week, but way more intensely than me, but she's 8 weeks ahead. I did go to the chiropractor and told her about that, and she did an adjustment. It was more of a stretch that she did, some hip openers, and it totally helped. And I'm kicking myself saying this right now because I actually just went this morning and I forgot, and I guess she forgot too, to do that again. So I think I just need to like stretch a little bit more. Let me know if you dealt with this. James, my first, was a C-section, but I was in labor for 50 hours before we had to make that call. And so even though I didn't deliver him out of my pelvis, I was sore for months afterwards. Like my pelvis bone ligaments just felt sore because I think it was just that pressure for the 50 hours of being in labor, and that's exactly what it feels like. It feels like exactly how I did in the months after his birth. So I'm thankful for the chiropractor and the stretches she showed me. But other than that, it was a good week. It was a really good week. And I'm out of breath. I think I said that, didn't I? Yeah. It's probably like goes without saying. But yeah, heartburn started up a little bit, but not too intensely, which is good because I like spicy food and I don't want to give that up. Yeah, things are good. It was a good week. 17. I'll show you my bump. Oh, I have a really quick, fun, cute story. So we told James like week 9, and he's 5, and I'm out of breath. So we did not expect him to keep it a secret because he's only 5. So we kind of just said like, try not to tell people. Like we didn't make it mandatory, didn't put a lot of pressure on him. So that was a long time ago, and then I was getting him ready for school this week and he wanted me to pick out his shirt, and I picked out his big brother's shirt, and he was like, oh, I can't wear that because then everyone will know that you're pregnant. So we forgot to tell him that it was okay to tell people now. So the poor kid has been awesomely keeping the secret and thinking he's not allowed to tell anyone for a month too long. I feel kind of bad. And so even now he's like, are you sure I can tell some people today? Are you sure I can share with my friends? Like, oops. So that was a big fail. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of stories. My handle is @DanielleGetsItDone, and I'd love to connect with you there. Shoot me a message, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and whatever your plans are today, I hope you get them done. Bye, guys. Hey guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and this is my pregnancy update for week 18. Right? No.